Hi friends! Do you want to make a board public that was created as a secret board earlier on your Pinterest account? Let's go ahead and see how you can do so. Open a web browser on your computer. Type www.pinterest.com in the address bar and then press the Enter key. Click on the Login button, and from here you can log in with your Facebook account, Google Plus account, or Twitter account. If you already have an account on Pinterest, then enter its credentials and click on Login. Click on your profile name at the top of your Pinterest homepage to view all your boards. You can always make a secret board public, but you can't undo this. Scroll to the bottom of the page to see your secret boards. Once you find it, click on that board to open it, and then click on the Edit Board button. Turn the button next to the Keep It Secret option from Yes to No. Click on the Save Changes button and confirm the changes made by clicking on Continue. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.